Okay, so here I'm looking at disturbance rejection, because PID is not only about tracking your input, like roll left and hold this angle, but it's also if you get a gust of wind, does it reject that disturbance? So here I'm simulating like a wind disturbance to see what it's going to do. And I'm looking for overshoot specifically. So when I push down right there, it kind of bounces back and goes too far, but sometimes it ends up right in the middle. So I'm trying to tune the value of P and I, probably, since those are together, to get it to just to where it doesn't overshoot anymore, but no farther, because if it's farther than that, then it's overdamped and it's going to have too many oscillations, and that's when it's too far. And if it's slightly below, then it's not tuned as tight as it can be. So you can see it still has some overshoot sometimes, and I'm alternating between the value that's too high and too low. So there it really has like pretty minimal overshoot. And then I'm doing control inputs to see like how aggressively it will track a stick input. So it's really aggressive at this point compared to what it was. I mean, you let go of the stick and it just sticks. Like it's not overshooting, it's not moving past it. It's working out the motors quite a bit. And then you see them like jiggling the test stand, which